Good morning. MBO1 2025, Saturday the 15th of February, the first mini Beano for about 5 months. It's cold, it's gently raining, and I'll be off in about just over an hour chipping them, and I'm looking forward to it, and the fine ales. See you in Chippenham. Well, I'm sure, and the journey down was, well, Wales was very wet. England, more drizzly and misty. And you have to check your car in here now, which is good, I suppose. There's the car park. Well, there's the entrance to the car park around the back. Okay, Costa. On the right, the bridge into the centre of town, the river, the garden by the river, although slightly on it, and the bridge house, where they have new, faster Wi-Fi. I'm going to go for it. Upstairs in the bridge house, there's the river. On the left was an orange juice, and this one, Darwin's Origin from Salopium, 4.3% alcohol, normally a B plus and a touch. No, this is just B plus at the moment. Oh, B plus and a bit. I can't remember. Normally 3.4, this is 3.3. It's a lovely beer, but this one is just about to go over, but it's still there. Anyway, I need to get some videos uploaded. Fancy some food as well. Getting back into the habit of videoing my beers, because I'm going to start doing it more in the future. Anyway, you don't often see this. This is Californian IPA from Blue Monkey. Unfiltered, unfined, hazy, 5.5% alcohol by volume, and it's hoppy on the nose. And here's the carpet, Mr. Manning. Mr. Manning quote. Punchy, hoppy, piney, resinous, and piney, bitter finish. E++, really long finish. And you got that resinous bitterness. Works totally for me. 360 a can. Could be a lot worse. From the fridge, more cans. A can. Titanium from the Quantock Brewery, 5.1% alcohol by volume. Really hazy, really nice. So hoppy, fruity, dry. Sorry about the zooming. Fruity, bitter finish. B++. From the area, if not local. It's raining. It's pouring. And yeah. However, fine ales. They're open. And there's beer.
Yeah, but
the Prince of Wales, putty, 8%. Yeah, putty.
Doesn't work for this.
And if I turn it round,
work better as a
this is where I'm going tomorrow.
For replicating this, because you
anyway, 8%.
In the oven kind of thing. All I hear is what you
Big
want.
milk.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think, like I said, I think what's done now is good. Yeah. And it actually probably works. It works better.
Okay, so it's juicy. Really juicy. Fruity, hoppy.
pen space.
Yeah.
Gently bitter,
They're like
a little bit dry.
a Donny scarf.
B++,
I didn't see it while
easily.
I didn't see it was red and white,
Wow.
but I didn't see it
Yeah,
anyway.
I just saw the
Big Merc from Phantom and Off Script, and it's called, guess you guys aren't ready for that yet, 6% alcohol by volume, live testing. It smells really hoppy. Oh, really hoppy, slightly fruity, slightly sweet. Nice. A lingering fruity bitter, gently bitter finish. There's some great beers here. When it comes to sours from the UK, you have to go to Edinburgh, Scotland, Vault City, white chocolate cherry cheesecake double scoop, 6.3% alcohol by volume. Getting a bit croaky. Live tasting. Oh, smells like ice cream. Oh wow. So it's fruity, tart, gently sour, B++ and a touch. Wow. 3.6 out of 5. River Cruise. Cruise?
Yeah. Not
Cruise.
Well, I don't know. We
From
might
Phantom
have.
Brewing from Reading. 4% alcohol by volume. Live tasting. Our last
I
day,
thought he was with, like, actually
which is
with
just as
somebody.
well.
I thought he was with somebody who lived
There you
like
go.
Bristol way.
No, you've seen somebody over there, but then
Oh, right. That
I
was
think his work doesn't help.
Dank,
He's always
He's
fruity.
always away. And
Citrus
then
hoppy.
He goes away for like a couple of months at a time doing cycling
gentle
stuff
bit of
and stuff.
finish,
And I
hint
think
of dryness.
it's one thing for you as well.
B++.
You know, you like going away doing stuff and having a weekend.
That's it.
Bits.
And
you was
it's
away
good.
Monday to Friday, and you had like